Hello and welcome to Keepsales. In this video, we are going to learn about how to turn on expense management. Now, Keepsales is an amazing software which really helps shops like yours to really gain insight to thrive. Now, expense management is basically a feature in Keepsales that allows you to input your expenses onto Keepsales as well. So you are not just selling and generating revenue and account statements on Keepsales, but also you are able to track the expenses in your shop as well. And at the end of the day, you want to know if you are receiving the required revenue needed to run the business, and also if you are managing your expenses well to keep the shop and business thriving. Okay, so let's dive right into expense management. And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to turn on and off your expense management feature. Okay, so to do that, we have to locate our main menu. So main menu is right here. We click on main menu. Okay, so we see expenses management over here. Now, by default, when you log into your Keepsales account for the first time, by default expenses management doesn't appear. Okay, so then to turn on and off your expenses management, we click on user settings. Okay, so under user settings, we see expenses management over here. Let's click on that, and then we get this drop down inscriptions that appear. It says that once enabled, you will see an expenses management link in the main menu. Okay, so enable expenses management, originally set to no. So like I said, by default it is always set to no. That's when you log in for the first time. Okay, so let's click on no, and let's see how it is under the main menu. So when we click on main menu, we realize that expenses management has disappeared from the main menu. Okay, so by default it doesn't show up under the main menu options unless you decide to allow it to appear there. And then to be able to do that, like I said, you click on user settings. Okay, you are brought to the user settings page. You click on expenses management, and then right under that you click in the box, okay, which is originally set to no. You click yes, and then it says that expenses management has been enabled successfully. So you click on OK, and then when you go back to the main menu, you realize that the expenses management appears over here. So you can click on it, and then you can visit the expenses management page. Okay, so with the expenses management, we are going to look at it in more details in the next video. So do tune in to watch the next video on expenses management. But in this video, we just looked at how to turn on and off your expenses management. And like I said, the expenses management is very important. It's very key for the retail shop, because you want to know your revenue, your income, and you want to know the amount of monies that you are spending on other things. Okay, so that you are able to adequately monitor your business and understand whether you're making profit or losses at any point in time. So thank you so much for watching this video. We have more of such amazing videos that are available for you, so do check all of them out. In the meantime, do have a wonderful